friends! I'm Tommy. Welcome to my toy world. Today, we're building a big city with my cars and truck. This is my fastest race car, and this big truck is super strong. And look, a crane! Ah! Okay, cars, let's go. Vroom! Uh-oh, too many cars. This is a traffic jam. Stop, one by one. I am the police today. We need a bridge. Truck, bring the blocks. Let's race. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh no! They crashed. Are they okay? Don't worry. Ambulance is coming. Everything will be okay. Yay! My city is perfect now. I love my toy world. Did you like my toy city? Tell me your favorite toy. Bye-bye, friends.